Kuma riria githomo kiambiriirio guku bururi-ini, o thukuru ikoragwo na uniform mwanya niguo gukurana arutwo ni a thukuru iriku.
Manginya hindi ya muthungu tutagiete wiathi muno uniform itumikaga kurehe discipline, kurehe tradition cia thukuru na muno kurehe uigananu.
No ihinda-ini riri bunge ni rarĩrĩria riendekithia ria arutwo othe bururi-ini gwikiraga uniform ihanaine, undu uria anyiti itemi SEKTAINI ya githomo kuma kaunti ya EMBU mareganite naguo, makiuga ngurani hari nguo iria arutwo mehumbaga ni iteithagiriria gukurana murutwo ni wa thukuru uriku undu ungihanika.
It is important to know that schools have their uniqueness through the uniform, even when it is a public sector. It's not easy to wish away the uniform of a school. Even giant schools in Kenya, the traditional schools in Kenya, they find some uniqueness and some culture and traditions within their uniforms. It can also be a good way of monitoring aspects of discipline, like when learners close schools. Imagine all learners are in a similar uniform and they are in discipline aspects. We have seen all these things in this republic. How are you going to control it? Mutongoria wa mathukuru ma andu kiumbe mwena wa EMBU James Kariuki augite riendekithia ria kaunti gukoragwo na uniform mwanya ni RIENDEKITHIA bururi, akiuga hari bata muingi gukuruhanio na mawoni mao guthikiririo.
Ni wega gu strengthen tradition ya uniform gukira kumbani uniform. Tondu ona tukauga kaunti ciothe ikorwo na uniform ni gukugia undu wa ukabira. Tondu kaunti citu ni setup ya ukabira. Kyoguo ona tukauga ati ciana irikiraga uniform ya county tugukorwo tukiongerera maguta murimu wa tribalism thiine wa bururi.
Murugamiriri wa thukuru wa Millbrook Masimugo nikitie ritana kuri aciari akimoria magitire ciana ciao na kumathomithia maundu ngurani micii-ini makumaguna muturire-ini ihinda riri mari rutha rwa mieri iri.
Wakwa ni kwira aciari mumenyerere ciana mwaka uyu taruzi ni twavinga cukuru mieri iri mumenyere magwika no mukimenyaga ura mugwika wako vakuve na Millbrook ni tukona kindu gitagwa camp kuria mukureta ciana mithako kana kuthoma kwina kana arts and craft kindu mangika meke wa muthenya.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wairima wa Muthoi.